certificate number NTI/NCE/160048, matriculation number P.E.S/I.T.S 1607050003, National Teachers Institute, Kaduna. This is to certify that Alexis Chukwudetwechiri, having completed an approved course of study accredited by the National Commission for Colleges of Education, passed the examinations and fulfilled all the requirements prescribed by the Institute, has this day, under the authority of the N.C.E Awards Committee, been awarded the Nigeria Certificate in Education (N.C.E) in the following subjects: 1. Education, Grade B. 2. Teaching Practice, Grade A. 3. Teaching Subjects, Integrated Science, Grade B. For Primary Education Studies, P.E.S, Grade C. 5. General Studies Education, Grade C. Signed, Registrar, 31st December 2008. Signed, Director General and Chief Executive. Serial number NTI/NCE/2009/0137641. Interpretation of grades. Distinction: A. 70 to 100%. Cumulative grade point 4.5 to 5.00. Credit: B. 60 to 69. Cumulative grade point 3.5 to 4.49. Merit: C. 50 to 59. Cumulative grade point 2.40 to 3.49.